How to fix Facebook community standards. In this video guys we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone. After this open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage. Here on storage go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to go to this option set as a default. As you see here, this option open supported links, you have to make sure that this option is allowed like this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another